Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and collecting tools so you can act immediately. Remove the shell carefully. Keep screws in labeled order so reassembly is easy. Test the battery or adapter with a multimeter to verify voltage, because a weak supply is often the culprit. Inspect gears, motor, and wheel pickups for debris and corrosion. Once done, you will have a clear list of visible faults and the right tools ready. This saves time and prevents damage to delicate parts. You now address the heart of movement, the motor and electrical path. Remove the motor cover and inspect brushes and commutator. Clean black carbon and grit with a cotton swab and alcohol to restore contact. Check solder joints and wiring for brakes, and use the multimeter to confirm continuity across pickups to the motor. Once done, lightly lubricate gears and axles with a drop of light oil to reduce friction, but take care not to contaminate electrical contact. You finish by putting the engine back together and validating repairs. Reassemble parts in reverse order, making sure gears mesh properly and screws are snug but not over-tightened. Misalignment causes strain. Place the engine on the track and test at low voltage first, increasing slowly while listening for clicks, grinding, or power loss. If intermittent issues continue, swap the motor or replace worn pickups. One key troubleshooting tip: if it still fails, clean the track thoroughly and test with a known good power supply before replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.